All right, so the easiest module of the whole batch so far has been the F module. Got the ribs in, got the profiles in, got the 2 horizontals in, that's all there was to it. But I did have a question, guys, about the hidden railroad. This is in here, in this here. I couldn't find the horizontal for that. And it turns out I was looking in the wrong place for the wrong thing. The horizontal you want, you look at that right there, it says BR7-1. BR stands for bridge. So, however, this is the piece you want for your hidden railroad. And all you've got to do is just slide it in here. Let me get some glue in there. All you got to do is just slide it in there. It does actually fit. And it really almost doesn't need to be glued, to tell you the honest truth, because it fits in there so snugly. But I am eventually going to put track on it. And eventually there will be a train running on it. So we're going to glue it down anyway. So if you watch me here, the rounded portion here goes to the back. Okay, I wasn't sure about that first. It goes to the back, and you'll see that as it laid out. If I flipped it over, it would be really, really obvious to you. Come down here, slip it through the hole, reach in here. It just feeds right into that hole, right there. And then flip it around here and lay it down flat. Now, one of the keys is going to be getting these side pieces down so that they're level. And I think what I'm going to do is step over here and grab my little level, just to be a little extra cautious about this. I'm going to reach right in there and make sure, turn it this way. Nope, that's not going to work for me. All right. So I just want to make sure that this is level, that it's not too high, not too low. Okay, so that end is good there. And then we'll look at this one. Okay, so I got those pieces in there right there level. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on that edge. Kind of welding it, kind of, sort of, in a way. Just because I don't want that moving on me in the future. And allowing the track to move or the train to move, or maybe causing a derailleur. So that's the key there. Now, how are we going to get in this? They have on the vertical 1, you can see 3 cutouts that they made. Now, if this is going to be a hidden train, obviously you don't want these 2 back here cut out. So for the moment, I'm going to go ahead and cut out the front section only. And hopefully, if everything they've told me is accurate and true, which it has been so far, I should be able to get up in there and put the track in. I may have to do a little extra. We may have to open it up some more. But for the moment, this is what we're going to have. So there's the vertical for the hidden train. Obviously the track will go right into here. You could back your train up in there and pull it in there. Maybe pre-position it and hit the switch and call it up and have it run out and surprise everybody. But that's the hidden track. So let's get this glued into place. So we're definitely going to go across the back edge here. And of course, as you saw, it fit in there so well, I didn't have to pin it at all. Get a little bit on the edge here. And over here. And of course, we'll put some on the bottom down here. All right. goes in that easily. Honest, that wasn't a trick. I'm going to do a couple pins here just to make sure that it stays exactly where I want it until it's completely dry. And now I can come back at a later time if I want to cut these other two patches out. I might need to do that to actually put the track down in there and get it stable. I pushed that in there too far. Come on up. There you go. Okay. So I could come back and cut these out, put tape on the back of them, make it a flap that opens and closes. Actually, I didn't need glue across this opening here, did I? I just want to clean that up a little bit. Okay. But you can see, if you peek in here, the camera's going to peek right in here. You can see the road bed there where the train track is going to go. And we'll have a hidden train area along there, which will be a lot of fun to play with. It's just a touch high, so I'm going to put a pin right in there to keep that down. I might do one more in there. Let's see if I can. I got a whole bunch of extra pins over here. See if I can steal one or two. Just to make sure I got this nice and level. Maybe one more. Obviously, we don't want our town center to be unlevel. That's where my city is going to go. Imagine what would happen to the sewage system and everything else, you know. All right. So that's that. That's the last piece we have to put in the F module. And we'll let this dry and we'll come back and do our finals on several of these. It's getting exciting, guys. We're getting close. We're going to be able to put it together real soon. Talk to you later.